Good morning, students. Today now let us discuss the 10th Mathematics Basic Sample Question Paper 2020-21. First question, one more question. Express 156 as the product of primes. 156 dividing by 2, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16, 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 9 2s are 18, 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 156 is the express product of primes is 2 square into 3 into 13. 2 square into 3 into 13. Write a quadratic polynomial. Sum of 0 is 2 and the product is minus 8. Given sum of 0 value 2. Sum of 0 is 2. Product of 0 value minus 8. Therefore, general form of the quadratic equation x square minus sum of 0 into x plus product of 0. X square minus 2x product of 0 value minus 8. Therefore, minus 8. It is a given quadratic. It is a required quadratic polynomial equation x square minus 2x minus 8. Question number 3. Given that HCF 96, 404 is 4, find LCM of 96, 404. Thirdly, first question. HCF of 96, 404 value is 4. LCM equal to A into B. A would value 96 into 404 by HCF. HCF would value 4. A into B by HCF formula. LCM equal to A into B by HCF. Cancelling 4 table. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. 0. 1. 96 into 101 value. 96. 96. The multiplication value is 9696. The LCM value. Next, second question. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. And this factorization is unique. This is a fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. Question number 4. On comparing the ratio of the coefficient, find out whether the pair of equation x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0 is consistent or inconsistent. Here, given write the equation x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. A1 by A2. First write A1 value, x coefficient A1, 1 by 3. Next, B1 by B2, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. It is a unique solution. Therefore, it is consistent. It is consistent. unique solution and many solution condition is consistent. No solution is condition is a inconsistent. If, fifth question, if A and B are co-prime numbers, then find the HC of A comma B. Co-prime numbers, then find HC of A comma B. A and B are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Therefore, HCF of A comma B oda value 1. HCF of A comma B oda value 1. HCF A comma B 1. Additional LCM of A comma B. Suppose LCM find out panna keta. LCM of A comma B AB. LCM of A comma B oda value AB. Multiplying two numbers, two prime numbers. Question number 6. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Question number 6. Theta equal to 16 degree, r equal to 6 cm. Therefore, formula area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta oda value 60 by 360. Pi oda value using 22 by 7 into radius oda value 6. Multiplying 6 into 6. 6 square oda value. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 6 6 are 36. 1 6 1 6 cancel. 22 into 6 multiply panna 6 2 are 12. Remainder 1. 6 2 are 12 plus 1. 132 by 7 centimeter square. Decimal point 18.86 centimeter square. Therefore, area of sector oda value 18.86 centimeter square. Question number 6. A horse tied to a pole with a 28 meter long rope. Find the perimeter of the field where the horse can graze. (28 meter long rope). The perimeter of the field the horse can graze. The perimeter of the field of the horse graze is a circular field. It is a circular field. The required area 2 pi r. 2 into pi oda value 22 by 7 into radius r equal to given 28 meter. Therefore, 28. Therefore, 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. 1 7s are 7, 4 7s are 28. Therefore, 2 into 22 oda value 44. 44 into 4 oda value 176 meter. 176 meter. It is a required area. Question number 7. In the given figure, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Angle ADE equal to 70 degree. Angle ADE equal to 70 degree. And angle BAC. BAC is 50 degree. Angle BAC equal to 50 degree. Then angle BCA. BCA. Find angle BCA. In triangle ADE, angle A plus angle D plus angle E equal to 180 degree. The sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A 50, angle D 70, angle E equal to 180. 70 plus 50, 120 plus E equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle E equal to 180 minus 120. Therefore, angle E equal to 60 degree. Angle E equal to 60 degree. DE parallel to BC. Therefore, angle E is equal to angle C. Therefore, angle E equal to angle C. Therefore, 60 degree equal to angle C. It is a given angle. It is a required angle BCA equal to 60 degree. BCA equal to 60 degree. Question number 7, second question. In a given figure, AD equal to 2 centimeter, AD equal to 2 centimeter, BD equal to 3 centimeter, AE equal to 3.5 centimeter, AC equal to 7. The total length AC equal to 7 centimeter. DE parallel to BC. It is DE parallel to BC. Find out பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. First, the length EC equal to AC minus AE. EC ஓட length find out பண்ணுறதுக்கு total length AC minus AE. 7 minus 3.5. 7 total length minus 3.5. Subtract பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா the remaining length 3.5. EC ஓட length 3.5 centimeter. By Thalles theorem, DE parallel to BC அப்படின condition DE parallel to BC அப்படின்னா the condition satisfied AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. The condition is satisfied பண்ணணும். AD by DB equal to AE by EC அப்படின்னா DE parallel to BC. Check the AD by DB value 2 by 3. Next AE by EC. AE ஓட value 3.5. EC ஓட value 3.5. Therefore, 3.5 cancel 1. Therefore, AD by DB not equal to this value 2 by 3. AE by EC oda value 1. Therefore, AD by DB not equal to AE by EC. Therefore, DE not parallel to BC. Not parallel to BC. DE not parallel to BC. AD by DB, AE by equal இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் DE parallel to BC. It is not equal to, therefore DE not parallel to BC. Question number 8. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5,280. Find the radius of the field. ஒரு சர்க்குலர் ஃபீல்டு ஃபென்சிங் வேலி போட பெர் மீட்டருக்கு 24 rupees செலவாகுது. டோட்டல் காஸ்ட் வந்து 5,280. ஃபஸ்ட்டு லென்த் ஆஃப் த ஃபென்ஸ் length of fence is a perimeter of the circular field. Length of the fence equal to total cost by rate. Total cost by rate per meter. Total cost oda value 5,280 by rate 24 per meter. By 24 per meter. Cancelling 5,280 by 24. 220 meter. 220. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Cancel பண்ணு 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 0. 6 2s are 12. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 0. 6 table cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2 6 are 12. Remainder 1. 2 6 are 12. 0. 220 meter. Therefore, question, find the radius of the field. Therefore, 2 pi r equal to 220. Length of the fencing is meaning a perimeter of the circular field. Therefore, 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 220. Therefore r equal to 220 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. 10 times 122, 10 times 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Therefore r equal to 35 meter. R equal to 35 meter. 7 5s are 35 meter. Question number 9. A tree breaks due to storm and a broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground where makes an angle 30 degree. Tree broken ஆயிடுச்சு. Makes an angle 30 degree. Touches the ground where makes an angle 30 degree. Touches a angle is 30 degree. It is a 30 degree. Next, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Foot ட்ரீயோட அடிபாகத்திலிருந்து இந்த டோட்டல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து 8 மீட்டர். The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top of touches the ground is 8 meter. Next, find the height of the tree from where is broken. Broken partல இருந்து இந்த ட்ரீயோட ஹைட்டை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ABC. Find the length of AB. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, right triangle is ABC, using opposite side hypotenuse. Therefore, using tan 30 equal to opposite tan 30 oda formula opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 oda value 1 by root 3 equal to AB by 8. Therefore, AB equal to 8 by root 3. AB equal to 8 by root 3. It is a required height of the tree. A equal to 8 by root 3 meter. Therefore, the height of the tree from where is broken. In the broken part, the height of the tree, the length of the AB equal to 8 by root 3 meter. The question: if the perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal, then find the radius of the circle. If the perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal, perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, area of the circle pi r square is numerically equal, then find the radius of the circle. Pi cancel, 1 r cancel, therefore 2 equal to r, therefore r equal to 2 units. The radius of the circle is r equal to 2 unit.